In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this spinning icosphere animation in 4 minutes. Let's create an icosphere. Tab to go to edit mode, and Ctrl B to bevel. Type V as in Victor to bevel the vertices. We need to remove some faces. Let's select one, and press Shift G to select similar like this. Let's Shift select this face, and select similar as well. X to remove the selected faces. Let's select this face in the middle, and select similar. In object mode, let's add a solidify modifier. I'll apply the modifier, and go back to edit mode. Let's extrude along normals, and apply an emission material for the selected faces. Please use Eevee with bloom. I'll press Shift D to duplicate, and S to scale. I'll create a 100 frame long animation, and rotate and keyframe the outer sphere like this. In Animation tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.